Hi everyone. So today let's talk about how to use Telegram Edit Beats Sync feature. So let me tell you guys, unfortunately there is no Edit Beats Sync feature for the Telegram app. That specific term and automated audio syncing workflow belong to video editing apps like Instagram Reels, Canva's Beats Sync feature or CapCut. So if you want to create a video synced perfectly to a beat and post it to Telegram stories or chats, you have two options depending on what you're trying to do. Option one is to use an external editor, which is highly recommended. So to get actual automated beat syncing where your video cuts match the music perfectly, use a dedicated editor before uploading Telegram. Open an app like CapCut or Canva and then import your music and tab bits. Now select auto-generate or manually tap along to add yellow dot markers on the audio timeline. Then trim and snap your video transitions directly to those dots and then export the video and upload it straight to your Telegram story or channel. Now the option 2 is to use Telegram's manual media editor. If you just want to add music and manually align a specific video moment to song clip inside Telegram stories, open Telegram, then tap the plus sign and record or select your video, then tap the sticker or audio icon and select a song from a device or the available cloud library. You can also use the slider handles to crop the exact segment of the song you want to play. You'll have to listen carefully and manually position the track segment so the beat drop or chorus aligns with your favorite video frame. Now to post it, tap next and then share it to your Telegram network. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next one.